Sometimes the simplest dishes are the most comforting. Today I am making soft teen neer dosas which are perfect for breakfast. Hi my dear friends, welcome back to my channel Noella Creations. I washed 3/4 cup of rice 3 to 4 times with plain water and then soaked overnight. In the morning again I washed 3 times with plain water and then drained the water. Now I am transferring the rice into a mixer jar. Now I am adding half cup of grated coconut. Add little water. Next I am adding less than half teaspoon of salt. You may add salt as per your taste. Then cover with the lid and grind. Next I am transferring it into a large bowl. To get a thin batter, add water as required and mix well. Heat a tawa or pan and apply oil. Now I am adding 1 ladle of the batter. The batter has to be stirred each time before adding it to the pan. Once cooked, remove from the pan. Now I'll prepare the chutney. In a mixer jar, I added less than half cup of grated coconut, 1 green chili, small piece of ginger peeled and chopped, few coriander leaves. Add water, salt, small piece of tamarind, cover with the lid and grind. Transfer into a bowl. In a tadka, heat some oil, add less than half teaspoon of mustard seeds, few curry leaves, 1 Kashmiri chili. Once it starts splattering, switch off the flame and transfer it into the bowl. And here it is, soft, melt in the mouth neer dosa served with fresh chutney. So simple yet so irresistible. If you enjoyed watching, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thank you for being here, sending you calmness and good wishes always.